The US government shutdown is officially over, but the market reaction is anything but straightforward. This morning, stock futures are lower, gold prices are higher, and traders are selling the US dollar. All of this comes just a day after the Dow Jones Industrial Average hit a record high. Now, if you've been following my updates, you will know that I warned you about the lack of real participation in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ, and how gold rallying even as stocks push higher is also a warning sign. We're kind of seeing the same divergence today, with gold pushing higher and stocks kind of flat. But now the focus should be on the fallout from the shutdown, and the first issue is a big one. The White House told us yesterday that the October jobs inflation report may never be released. And because the government was shut down for half of November, which is a key survey window, the November data may be delayed, distorted, or incomplete too. So heading into the December Fed meeting, investors are basically flying blind. No clean NFP, no accurate CPI, and no reliable data. And the Fed is kind of flying blind too. Markets hate uncertainty, which means this setup favors profit taking in stocks, more upside for gold, and further weakness in the US dollar. But there is some good news. Furloughed workers return to work, SNAP payments are getting restored and just in time for the Black Friday and Cyber Monday, the biggest shopping days of the year here in the US. But here, this is the real question. Has the damage been done already? I want to hear what you think. I ran a poll of 1,700 people last week, and here is what you told me. 40% plan to spend less this holiday season. 52% plan to spend the same. And, there's a small group that not in the US who also plan to save. But 40% less spending is still significant, and that alone could drag down growth, especially when the shutdown has already shaved off GDP and probably made Americans more conservative with their purchases. We'll learn a lot in the next few weeks when the holiday sales numbers actually come in, but for now, with stocks at record highs, the appetite to buy is shrinking, and the inclination to sell is growing. I'm Kathy Lien. I would love to know what you think. Is this a turning point for the markets? Do you plan to spend less, the same, or more? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And before you go, make sure you check the link in the description in our bio. I put together a curated list of the best prop firms and regular brokers, our sponsors. So make sure you check out the best discounts right now because they're doing great Black Friday sales as well.